Today's video, I want to show you where to go to change your system navigation on OnePlus phones with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. With the latest update on your OnePlus phone, use a quick access and tap on a settings toggle right here. That will take you to the main settings of your OnePlus phone. You can always choose to use the search and type in system navigation as part of the fast way to find it, and it'll take you there. Or if you don't feel like doing that, you can always use the scroll down the menu, then go down to where it says system update right here. Once you tap on that, you will see these options, and one of them, the second one going down from the top, would be system navigation. So whether you set it to buttons or gestures from when you were setting it up, you can come here and switch over to that. So if you have it set to the buttons here, and I'm just get a little bit closer so you can see this, you will have these options here. The button layout, which will switch these to the bottom here. When I switch between them, you'll see the switching of them. Also, you have the circle to search, which when you touch and hold the home button, which is this one right here, you'll get this right here, this circle and search thing here. You could select a specific area and all that stuff, all right? And if you don't want that, you can turn it off. You also have the swipe from the lower left here or the lower right towards the center of the screen to bring up the digital assistant one, all right? And the way this works, you can do it in the navigation button section, starting from here and stop at the circle, and you can get the assistance there. Now, if you don't want any of these, you can turn it off, and these are gonna be applied to the buttons one. But if you want the gestures, this here, you can go to it. And if it's your first time, you can go through the learning. It's gonna be quick, and basically swiping from the left to right or opposite would be your back function, okay? Then when you swipe from the bottom section here and release it, that's your home. And if you swipe up and hold a bit like this here, you'll be in the recent view mode. And once in the recent view mode, you can swipe left and right here like this here to switch between recently opened apps there, all right? And that's basically it. You have some other options in the gestures mode here. You have hide the gesture bar, which will not show this little bar here to the bottom. You also got the vibrate, so you know that you're pressing back. Also switch between previous apps here on the inward from the left to right if you want that option. I would recommend keeping this one on, especially if you watch a lot of videos or play a lot of games on your OnePlus phone, because some games or videos will have gestures such as double swiping, and you might end up entering to the back gesture, and you don't want that. So go ahead and turn this on here. You also got the learn and also adjusting the sensitivity of the back. You'll notice this little blue highlight here. That'll show you how far the sensitivity range is for the right edge and the left edge. And also now you got the circle to search, same as the other one here. And this one is going to be touch and hold the home button. So when you perform the home gesture, you're going to touch and hold it and then swiping again as well. And that's basically it for this tutorial. Like and sub.